It's not built by us, it's built by a different company called ADI, Automatic Damage Inspection, and this scanner allows any car to drive through very slowly, and then with 9 cameras around, every second there is a picture, there's more pictures, so whenever the car goes through, all the damages, all the small dents are detected. And if you have these pictures, this is only one part of the story, because you have to have a software that knows what is to be seen on the pictures. So you have the pictures on one side, and you have the software to analyze what you see at the pictures. Is it a door? Is it a window? Is it a wheel? So you need the software to be intelligent enough to analyze what you see on the pictures. And then the magic begins. The magic begins when the software analyzes the pictures and calculates the damages, because the software